Hi, this is Bob Anderson with Volume 2 of the case against Nick Doelle. Nick and I always used to have conversations about him doing jobs that we didn't want to do. So during discovery, I got many examples of jobs that he actually did. So Nick had a way of selling a $15,000 job for $10,000 and then bragging about how great of a salesperson he is. And so I'm happy to see that when he started his own business, he does the same. So if you see an invoice from Ocean Rock Baths, last name Orlowski, he charged $8,800 to do a full bathroom remodel. That was one job. A second job, he charged $8,100 right there. A third job he charged, I think there was two, but this was $6,800. And then here we go. There was a job for two bathrooms that he did for approximately $12,000 or $15,000. Now, most of these jobs came from a company called Red Baron Construction, who was a customer that he got while he was working for me. And so he stole approximately $98,000 in work from me, from this company. And here we go. Here's two jobs for $21,000. Here's another job for $18,000 from the same company. Now, some of you may know, back in 2013, I was on Fox 2 News because I was a scammer. Now, the person that was the main character on that was called Obi Aldea. Now, in my next video, I'm going to show you, after Obi took the stand, the prosecutor says, I can no longer prove the elements of my case, and she signed that on 7/24/13. So that was a bogus and false claim, but I have had to live with that since that day.